I'm not very prepared to bartend tonight, but with experience, I think we'll do just fine.
You will do just fine. My drink is masarap, so I know magugustuhan nila. I'm confident about that. It will be great. We just don't want to break anything, but we want everyone to just get our drinks and like enjoy. I've been with the Red Whistle since 2011, so it's been 8 years, and I just can't wait to just spread more awareness to everyone here in the Philippines, and we have to do it. HIV is not a joke, and we have to get the word out there. So hopefully this event will help us spread awareness. And yeah, let's do this. Let's drink for a cause.
So we're super excited to participate in our first Bartender Throwdown. We know each other outside of the competition, but at the end of the day, this is a competition.
It's a friendly competition,
A friendly competition.
right?
For a good cause.
For a good cause, yeah.
But they're both really nice, and we also wish them well along with their
But
charity.
I think our drink's better.
Yeah, for sure.
We choose the charity because I really think it's an important thing what's happening with the environment right now. We really need to take care of our oceans, we need to take care of our trees and the air. So it's really important for us to be here tonight for make people drink and collect money and make people think about the environment a little bit more.
It's so great that this event is also a sustainable event. There's no plastic. So we have rice straws, which is just these small little details that we can start to include in our everyday lives can make a big difference. And we want to spread the message of Planet Cora for climate action as well through this.
So guys, let's help save the planet.
So we are in our second event for the DrinkManila Bartender Throwdown. So let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2019 DrinkManila Bartender Throwdown celebrity winners are Team
Oh my god, we are so happy, right? To help Planet Cora.
I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning we were both pretty nervous, but in the end, once we start to feel the energy of the crowd, once we start to feel people be passionate about the cause that we were trying to bring to the table and enjoy themselves with our cocktails.
Just have more power.
Yes, it was so fun throughout. It was a really, really close fight. The other team were amazing. We love them so much, and both have a very good cause, but we're so happy that we came through with the W win.
Yes, thank you everyone to come tonight, and for sure it's gonna help a little bit of Philippines. Let's do more and more. Every day we can improve ourselves and do more to help the environment, to help Philippines, to help everything.
Absolutely.
To only lose by
We lost by
One
one
card.
point, guys. By one card only, but you know
Yeah.
what? It was all worth it. Whatever we won and they won by 1 point, we're still giving to HIV awareness. We're still giving to the Red Whistle, and we're very, very, very happy that we're actually able to help somehow. And you know what? Next year, when you guys have Bartender event again, we'll be here to support whoever celebrity will be behind the bar. So,
Indeed. Of course, of
thank
course.
you.
Any support we can offer.
Are you thirsty? DrinkManila.com